Hey my beautiful people, so today we are going to test out the Colorwow Dream Coat and Extra Strength again, because y'all were only like white on rice in that last video from July when it was my birthday, and I just wanted to have a cute little silk press, and it wasn't given that. A lot of y'all were telling me that my flat iron just did not do its job. It wasn't silk pressing like it was supposed to be silk pressing, and I agree. Some of y'all were telling me that my hair is just way too thick and I need to break it down in sections, and I agree with that too. I think it was just like, I don't feel like my hair is thick as it was when I was younger, but it's probably still thick according to y'all. So that I need to take and break it down into some more sections. And as y'all are going to watch this video, y'all are going to see what happened, the results, whether I would buy it again or not. But we are going to let voiceover Ashley take over to tell y'all more about what's going on in this video.
It's me. Hi. I'm the problem. Okay, y'all. It was me. And y'all said it was me. And it was me. Okay, so we're using the Colorwow Extra Strength and my new blow dryer. And I will have a link linked down below in the description box. And yes, it's the affiliate link. But if you don't want to click on the affiliate link, baby, I'm going to put the title of the blow dryer, because it's just so good. I don't care whether y'all buy it through my link or not. It is so good. Y'all need to get y'all one. For real. Seriously. I'm probably not going back. There's 2 other blow dryers that I want to try that have been highly rated. But, I got to try for myself. But yeah, this is definitely top 3. Like, if I'm thinking, if the reviews are correct and the products are good as they say they are, yeah, those are gonna be my top 3 blow dryers. And this blow dryer is so good that I was like, I kind of want to order another one just in case. Like, nothing's wrong with the one I have now. I don't have any issues, any problems. But the fact that it may not work one day, that makes me sad. I need another one immediately. Okay, so into the Colorwow. So y'all know I messed up a bunch of times, okay? And I'm gonna tell y'all all the things that you need to do and not to do to make sure that this product works the way it says it's gonna work. First, clarifying shampoo. I always use clarifying shampoo when I do a silk press, unless I am using a system that is supposed to be made to work together in the way that I am testing or reviewing it for you guys. Because if a system is formulated together and I'm testing it for you guys, that means the company wants y'all to buy these and use only these products because they're formulated to work together. But if I'm using those products on my own and I really didn't like how the results came out in the review, I'm going to add a clarifying shampoo. Because it's going to help it work better. I sectioned my hair into more sections because y'all told me I did not section it enough. And I think y'all right. Y'all was on to something. I sectioned it into 8 parts, 4 across the front, 4 in the back. And I'm just spraying it a lot. You got to spray a lot. You think you spraying too much? No. Spray some more. And then I'm twisting it up because my hair dries super quick. And yes, my hair is wet in this clip. I literally, when I film videos, especially silk press, I literally come from rinsing the conditioner out of my hair right up to sit in front of my camera. No in between, nothing else going on, no waiting 30 minutes. Like, literally, y'all, my hair be wet. It just, I don't know why it looks dry on camera, but it is wet. Spray it, twist it up. That'll keep it moisturized until you get ready to blow dry it out. Like I said, spray. And I should have sprayed more at my roots. I didn't have any problems with it really reverting back, but that's when it started to revert back. That's where it was reverting back first, which wasn't bad. Like, it just looked, it wasn't bad. Y'all gonna see. I'm gonna show y'all later on in the end how it looked. But y'all, this blow dryer, y'all, I literally cannot tell y'all how amazing this blow dryer is. It literally takes me no time, because I ain't gonna lie, I tried every brush, every technique. Everybody was like, yeah, if you're using the regular blow dryer, y'all know my famous purple blow dryer that I use, I had the comb attachment, I have the iron brushes, the comb, the bristle brush. Like, I have tried every little brush technique that people were telling me to use, and yes, it would come out a little bit straighter, a little bit better, but never straight like this. And on top of that, all I used was the Colorwow after I rinsed my conditioner out, and my hair was so shiny. And I was like, this blow dryer right here, this blow dryer right here, y'all, it's amazing. I love it. It's great. Let's see. What else do I need to tell y'all about? Oh, I did hit my roots like off camera after this. Just the roots. Mostly around my edges because I didn't want to burn myself, and I was a little scared that I was going to like take them flat irons and really burn myself. So I took my pressing comb and just went over some, like the thick part of my roots, which is in the top of my crown, right in the front of my head. I took, because I don't really care about the back. Ain't nobody gonna see. So the little BB knots be happening in my kitchen area. That's not even a problem. Nobody's gonna see it. But I made sure that I took that pressing comb and kind of got those edges in the root, in the crown of my head, and right around my part. So yeah, if you have a pressing comb, do that. It will help. It will make it look a lot better. Also, you gotta make sure your roots are dry. Make sure your roots are dry because they will revert back if they're not. You can like sit under your hooded dryer if you want to. You can do like I did, which was take my purple blow dryer and put it on like cool low heats so that you can make sure that your scalp and your roots are dry so your hair doesn't start to puff back up and start to revert back to your natural curl pattern. Tell me you need glasses without telling me you need glasses. Okay. If you're wondering why I'm cracking up this whole time, I'm listening to the What a Bar podcast. It is so good. Y'all should check it out.
My problem right now is, do I want to feather this back? Because I love a good, like, feather hairstyle. I'm gonna go cut, I'm gonna cut my hair a little bit. Because I love cutting my hair. Okay.
So here was the next day. I was taking my hair down, and I don't know, y'all. I must be fighting demons in my sleep because of why my hair always look like this. So I just had to fix it. I just wrapped it around my head real quick again, and then I play around with it till I get it to where I want it to be. Cause normally when I wrap it and it looks like unwrap it and it looks like this, is fine. Like I could just fix it, tuck some of the hair behind my ear, and then comb it a little bit. Take a round brush, to make it curve a little bit, without having to add additional heat or extra products. Now sometimes add a little oil sheen to it, and wrapping it back around your head will make it look good. And if you are a relaxed girly, you can always put a little mousse on it and wrap it around and tie it down real quick, and then you'll get what you're looking for. But y'all, this was it. It was so cute. I was loving it. And here's a few days later. So that was day 3 after I finished it. As y'all can see, my roots were coming back just a little bit. Day 4 and day 6. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Until next time, peace out, much love, and thank you guys for watching.